Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Acer Aspire 3 A315-43 and what's inside of it. To access this notebook's internals, you need to undo 11 Phillips head screws. After that, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, starting from the front.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Inside, we find a 42 watt-hours battery pack. It lasts for 10 hours of web browsing, or 9 hours of video playback. Since there are no screws securing it in place, you only need to unplug the connector from the motherboard to remove the battery. In this case, there are 8 GB of DDR4 RAM soldered to the motherboard. In addition, you get one SODIMM slot. Storage-wise, the laptop has one M.2 PCIe X4 slot. For cooling, the device relies on 2 heat pipes, a heat sink, and a fan. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.